Hello students, we are pleased to announce that a state-of-the-art examination center has been established at Liaquat University of Medical and Health Sciences, Jamshoro. As part of this initiative, all exams will now be conducted on computers. This video tutorial will walk you through the computer-based exam login process, covering everything from the start of the paper to the end, to ensure a smooth and hassle-free exam experience for all students. When you arrive at the exam hall, you will see a login screen on the computer where you need to enter your username, which is your seat number and password provided by the administration. After entering your credentials, click the login button to proceed. You will then be asked if you want to save your password. Click Not Now to avoid saving it. If your exam paper does not appear on the screen, refresh the page or press the F5 key on your keyboard. Once your exam paper appears, click the Start Exam button to begin the test. Review the test summary, which includes the paper name, time, start, end, and points. Now click Start Exam to commence the test. Answer the questions by selecting your best answer from the options. You can skip questions and come back to them later by clicking the next button. The question menu will show completed questions with a plus sign, unread questions with minus signs, and questions you have only read but not attempted with a minus and a plus sign. When you have completed all questions, click the End Exam button. If you have unanswered questions, you will be prompted to go back and attempt them or end the exam. Finally, click the Logout button on the top left corner of the screen to exit the exam system. Thank you.